Welcome to the BioEduBit channel. Myself, Dr. Sunil Patel, welcome you all. This video it is about cytoskeleton of the cell. So, if you like the video, subscribe it, share it, press the bell icon to get information of the upcoming videos. So, these videos are very useful for the entrance exams of medical, UPSC, MPSC exams. As scrolling on the bottom of this video, so definitely it consisting the material or the study material which is required for that exams. Very key points are given here in this cytoskeleton video. We are going to see these points. First point is the microfilament, location, ultrastructure, biochemical composition and functions. Then about the intermediate filament, same thing, and the microtubules, location, ultrastructure, chemical, biochemical composition and function. So microtubule, microfilament and intermediate filament in detail we are going to see or study in detail in this video. So cytoplasm contain a complex network filament and microfilament which form the structural framework that is called the cytoskeleton. So this is the definition of cytoskeleton. Cytoplasm consisting network of filaments and microtubule which form structural framework. This framework it is called the cytoskeleton. So cytoskeleton is framework of microtubule, microfilament and intermediate filament. The cytosol or cytoplasm of cell contain fibers that help to maintain the cell shape and mobility, and that probably provide anchoring points for the other cellular structures. Collectively, these fibers are termed as cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton gives cell structure and shape to the cell, allows them to move around. It also important in the intracellular transport. At least 3 general classes of such fibers have been identified in the eukaryotic cell. Each of these filament is a polymer. All 3 filaments of the system are highly dynamic, altering their organization and responsible to the needs of the cell. So the cytoskeleton is a complex dynamic network of interlinking protein filament present in the cytoplasm of all cells, including the bacteria and the archaea, etc. So in the figure you can see the actin filament, then this is the microtubule, then this is intermediate filament with their diameters are given. There are 3 types of the fiber: microfilament, microtubule, intermediate filament. So this is microtubule, this is intermediate filament, this is microfilament. So microfilament made by the actin fibers. We are going to see all this structure in detail. In the introduction, the cytoskeleton is an integral cell component present in the cell, except the some bacterial species. It is the basic unit of the cell, maintaining its structural integrity. While the cytoplasm is the semi-fluid substance that fills the spaces between the nucleus and the cell membrane, it holds all the organelles of the cell in a suspension. The cytoskeleton is what holds the organelle in place or moves them, aid this movement of cell. Due to the cytoskeleton movement of cell, it is easily takes place. The basics: the cytoskeleton is made up of network of fiber composed of protein with a cell cytoplasm. The protein from the cell cytoplasm fibers. The term cytoskeleton refers to the filament structure themselves, which are composed of set of protein, each with their own shape and own designation. Although it appears to be fixed, it is actually a ever-changing dynamic configuration with composed regularly and destroy regularly, repair regularly, and newly form. Functions: it imparts the cell shape, it provides protection by resistance to deformation. Cytoskeleton can actively contract, deforming the cell and its environment, allowing cell to migrate. The cytoskeleton involved in cell signaling pathways. Cytoskeleton separate chromosome during the cell division. It provide a blueprint to organize the organelles in cytoplasm and form the construction of cell wall. It give rise to structures such as flagella, cilia of the cell. So these are important functions of the cytoskeleton. It extends from the cell nucleus to the cell membrane, and it is composed of similar protein and the various organisms. In eukaryotic, it is composed of three main components: microfilament, intermediate filament, and microtubule. And these are all capable of rapid growth, disassemble dependent on the cell's requirement. They get disassemble, again reassemble, and repair takes place continuously. Although they look fixed, in 1903, Nikolai K. Kolstow proposed that the shape of cell was determined by the network of tubules that term the cytoskeleton. Eukaryotic cytoskeleton, the microtubule, we have already seen these three types: microfilament, microtubule, and intermediate filament. So we are going to see this in detail. Each type is formed by the polymerization of distinct type of protein subunit. It has its characteristic shape and intracellular distribution. The microfilament are polymer of the protein actin. Microfilament made by actin, they are of 7 nanometer in diameter. Microtubules are composed of tubulin and they are 25 nanometer in diameter. And intermediate filaments are composed of various proteins. They are 8 to 12 nanometer in diameter. So their size is given and composition is given. Microfilament, they are made by actin. The microtubule, they are tubulin, and intermediate filament, they are various proteins. And size, microfilament 7 nanometer, microtubule, they are 25 nanometer, while intermediate filament, they are 8 to 12 nanometer in diameter. So we are going to see one by one. First we are going to see the microtubule in detail. These things will be repeated, their size and their content or composition. The thickest cells, so they are called microtubule, 20 to 25 nanometer in diameter, which consists primarily of tubulin protein. Each tubulin subunit is made up of one alpha and one beta subunit. There are two subunits, one alpha and one beta. So you can see the tubulin have two different types. One is the alpha tubulin, other is the beta tubulin. There is color differences shown in the figure of the microtubule. So technically tubulin is a heterodimer. They are not monodimer, they are heterodimer as two, not a monomer. Since it looks like a tube, it is termed as the microtubule. In a microtubule structure, tubulin monomers are linked both at their ends and along their sides laterally. This means that the microtubule are quite stable along their lengths. They are stable along their lengths. Since the tubulin subunits of the microtubule always linked with the same direction, microtubule have two distinct ends called as the plus end and other one called as the minus end. On the minus end, alpha tubulin is exposed, and on the plus end, the beta tubulin is exposed. So it is important on the plus end beta, and on the minus end the alpha tubulin is exposed. Microtubule preferentially assemble and disassemble at their plus end. Means their minus end remains fixed and plus end assemble and disassemble at the beta tubulin. So this is the structure. Then functions of microtubule: the transportation of water, ions and small molecules, cytoplasmic streaming, that is cyclosis, formation of fibers, or the formation of ester in the mitosis and meiosis, that is spindle formation, formation of the structural unit, the centriole, basal granule, cilia, flagella formation. These are the important functions of the microtubule. So microtubule 20 to 25 nanometer, alpha and beta tubulin are shown here. Microfilament, they are made by the actin, 7 nanometer. Intermediate filament, they are made by different proteins, Vimetin is one example of that protein, 18 to 12 nanometer in diameter. So they are intermediate in size, so called the intermediate filament. They are tubule-like and largest, so called the microtubule. They are thinnest, so called the microfilament. So they are shown in the figure according to their only actin filament. They are a dimer 2 colored structure of tubular is shown. It is intermediate in the size of both and is different kinds of protein with different structures. So second one is the microfilament. The thinnest are the microfilament 7 nanometer in diameter, which are solid and are principally made up of two intertwined strands of the globular protein called as actin protein or actin filament. For this reason, microfilament are also known as the actin filaments. Actin is powered by ATP to assemble its filamentous form, which is serve as the track for the movement of motor protein called the myosin. So myosin activation is depend on this. So you can see in the figure the same thing. This is actin filament. They are intertwined to each other by the ATP. So same thing is shown in the microfilament intervening structure. This enable actin to engage a cellular event requiring motion such as the division in animal cell and cytoplasmic streaming, which is the circular movement of the cell cytoplasm in plant cell. Functions of the microfilament: they maintain the shape of the cell, form the contractile component of cell, mainly the muscle cell. White blood cell can move to the site of the infection and engulf the pathogen due to the microfilament. So again, all three things are shown here. We already seen the intermediate filament, the microtubule and microfilament. The intermediate filament, the fibers of the middle order are called the intermediate filament, having diameter 8 to 10 nanometer. They are composed of family of related proteins sharing common structure and sequence. They have been classified according to their constituent proteins such as desmin filament, keratin filament, neurofilament, vimentin, glial filament, etc. So they are called the intermediate filament due to these reasons. The functions of intermediate filaments contribute to cellular structure elements and are often crucial to holding together tissue like skin. So below skin, the intermediate filaments are there. Our skin consists the intermediate filament in the dermis region, forms nuclear envelope, formation of tissue by holding the neighboring cells. They hold the neighboring cell. You can see the holding part in the figures, how they hold the neighboring cells. So they are the intermediate filament. Then microtrabecular lattice. Recently, cytoplasm has been found to be filled with three-dimensional network of interlinked filament of the cytoskeleton fiber called the microtrabecular lattice. Various cellular organelles such as the ribosomes, lysosome, etc. are found anchored to this lattice. The microtrabecular lattice, being flexible, changes its shape and result in the change of cell shape during the cell movement. It is called the microtrabecular lattice. So functions again repeated here, cytoskeleton in all functions. So we are going to see one by one. In animal cell which lacks a rigid cell wall, it is cytoskeleton that determines the shape of cell. It allows cell to move. It engulf particle. The helps in engulf particle, brace themselves against the pulling forces, transport vesicle, separate the chromosomes during the cell division. It allows our muscle to contract, cell adhesion, cell matrix adhesion. So these are the functions of cytoskeleton. So these are references. So see you again in the next lecture. So if you like the video, subscribe it. Thank you.